Hey, Miss Benson, how are you?
I'm good.
I have on my camo. You have on your camo shirt?
I do.
We could go camoing for things.
Yeah, but except no one will be able to see us.
No one will be able to see us because we're camouflaged. All right, everybody. Good. It is Tuesday morning, afternoon, evening, whenever. We're going to get going and we're going to do some examples together, okay? So I am looking at this first thing and it says Tim recorded the amount of time he spent reading and the amount of time he spent playing video games each day after school for 10 days. Let's see what Tim was doing. First of all, there's a chart. You see it up there at the top where it says after school time. So that's what this chart is recording. That's what, and there's two rows. And the first row says reading time, which is going to be your x-axis. And the second row says video game time, which is going to be your y-axis. So what we're going to do is we're going to plot those points. But I want to kind of look at them just to kind of get a feel of what's happening. Like, for example, on that first day, he read 5 minutes and played video games 50 minutes. Now, that may be the case in a lot of situations, but is that a good idea? Not. Probably not. And it kind of changes as it goes through. So I kind of wonder, how are we going to figure out if this is a positive or negative correlation or a no correlation? Well, we're going to have to plot the points, aren't we? And we're going to have to be. So, are you ready, Miss Benson?
I'm ready.
I think first one we're going to do is we're going to go down the bottom to 5 minutes reading time and then go up all the way up to 50 minutes game time. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, go ahead and we're going to keep plotting. The next one is 10 minutes up to 50. The next one is reading 15 up to 40. The next one is reading 20 and then playing video games 40. The next one is reading 15 and playing video games 45. The next one is reading 20, playing video game 30 minutes. The next one is reading 15 and playing 35. The next one is reading 20, playing video 25. Next one is weird. It's reading 30 and playing video games 20.
Oh.
And then the last one, I think somebody got in a lot of trouble is what I think. They read 45 and they played video games 5 minutes. Because my video game playing is not very good. So let's look and see what that graph looks like on the next page. Oh, wow. Do you see that?
Oh, yeah.
It says, what type of correlation does this scatter plot show? Well, from where I'm sitting, I think it must be negative correlation. What do you think?
It sounds good to me.
Yeah, and what does that mean? It means that the more time you spend playing video games, the less time you spend reading.
Yep.
Time you spend reading, the less time you spend playing video games. So that's a negative correlation. When one goes up, the other goes down. Very interesting. Very interesting. Should we go to the next example, Jason?
Let's do the next one. Okay. How about you do this one for us?
Okay. So this one says, this table shows the relationship between the number of pictures Kyle took and the number of text messages he sent over the past 6 weekends. So we have another one of these little tables, right. And the first row is the number of pictures he took. So we're going to put that on the x-axis.
Right.
And Zero is the number of text messages he sent. So we're going to put that on the y-axis. Yeah. And then we're just going to like regular points.
Okay.
So the first weekend, he took 5 pictures and sent 60 text messages. So we go 5 and we go up to 60.
I got it.
Okay. And then the next one, he took 15 pictures and he sent 70 text messages.
Oh, we're going to have to plot that one right between the 60 and the 80, aren't we?
Oh, that's a little bit tricky, but yep, that's how we do it.
Yeah, because the 60 is on the line and the 80 is on the line, so that means that the 70 is right between them.
Perfect. Right. Then he took 20 pictures and he sent 100 text messages.
Okay, got that one.
20 pictures and 40 text messages.
Oh, that's interesting.
And then 35 pictures and 60 text messages.
Okay.
And on the last weekend, he must have been really popular because he took 15 pictures, but he sent 120 text messages.
Holy macaroni, what was he doing there?
I don't know. Maybe he got a girlfriend.
Maybe. I don't know. Look at that graph. It's the scatterplot is everywhere. I mean, there's no negative relationship and there's no positive relationship. What the heck does that mean?
No. So let's answer these questions here. They say, what type of correlation does the scatter plot show? And that's what you were just saying. Since it's not positive or negative, it means there is no correlation.
Wow.
And that means there's no relationship between how many pictures Kyle took and how many text messages Kyle sent. They're completely unrelated.
Right. So it just what he was doing.
It's just random.
Just random. Randomness. So no correlation means random.
Right.
And positive correlation means if one goes up, the other goes up.
Yep.
And negative correlation means if one goes up, the other goes down.
Yep, that's it.
I think I'm getting this now. Can we do one more example?
One more example.
Is it going to be one I like?
It is going to be one you like.
Oh, my favorite one in this example. Are you ready?
Yep.
Holy. I love guacamole. I'm so excited. Can I read it?
Absolutely.
Okay, it says, Jalen is using a recipe to make guacamole for a party. This table shows how many avocados, which is my second favorite word, by the way, are needed for different amounts of guacamole. Now, there's a chart. And at the top of the chart, it says guacamole, because that's my favorite. Then there are 2 rows. The first one says avocados, and the second one says serving. You know what, Vincent? Will the avocados be my x-axis?
Absolutely.
And will the servings be my y-axis?
Yep.
It's kind of like X and Y coordinates, isn't it? The X comes first, second. That's why I love math, because all the rules stay the same. They don't change. It's very cool. It makes it much easier to learn. So it says, make a scatter plot to show the data. So let's do some plot. What do you say?
Let's do it.
Okay. So if you have 1 avocado, you get 4 servings. I could eat that by myself, just saying.
Oh, me too. Easy.
If you have 2 avocados, you have 8 servings.
That's better.
By myself, too. I could. Maybe not you, but I could.
Oh, I think I could do 2 avocados worth of guacamole.
Yes, probably. Then, if you have 3 avocados, you have 12 servings. I see a pattern here. I don't know about you.
Yeah.
4 avocados, 16 servings. Oh, we're talking now. 5 avocados, 20 servings. 6 avocados, 24 servings.
Ooh.
That would be enough. Then we just need 1 more avocado for everybody else.
Yeah, perfect.
So when we plot all that data, what does it look like? Oh my gosh. I don't know about you, but that looks like the most perfect, positive line that I've ever seen.
Oh yeah, this
that
one is
means-
pretty.
Correlation. It's beautiful. Yeah. So that means the more avocados we have, the more guacamole we have. Correct?
Yep.
That is a perfectly positive correlation. Beautiful.
That's it.
That's it? Is that it for today? Okay, kiddos. What you need to do, if you need help, we have office hours. Come visit us on WebEx
We'll be here.
or whatever you want to do. We will be here waiting for you. Because, I mean, we can't just entertain each other for all those hours.
I mean,
You try, but sometimes we crazy. All right. See you later. We love you. Bye.
bye.